Welcome to Immigration Info, your ultimate hub for all things immigration. Looking for visa tips, country guides, and the latest immigration updates? You're in the right place. Subscribe for expert insights and join our global community today. The U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services (USCIS) recently announced a groundbreaking policy change that promises to streamline the naturalization process for permanent residents. This update aims to eliminate long-standing hurdles related to the legal admission requirement, providing much-needed clarity and new opportunities for those seeking U.S. citizenship. Key changes and their impact. Previously, permanent residents faced disqualification from naturalization if they encountered issues during re-entry into the United States after prolonged absences. The primary obstacle was proving continuous lawful permanent resident status during every re-entry. Under the new policy, USCIS emphasizes that only the initial lawful admission or adjustment of status matters when determining naturalization eligibility. This means that as long as an individual was lawfully admitted as a permanent resident during their first entry or status adjustment, they remain eligible for naturalization, even if subsequent entries involve temporary statuses like parole. Addressing common re-entry challenges. Many permanent residents travel abroad for personal or professional reasons, sometimes staying longer than 6 months. Under the previous rules, U.S. Customs and Border Protection (CBP) might grant them parole upon return, questioning their permanent resident status. This often led to denials of naturalization applications based on the inability to prove legal admission upon every re-entry. The new policy removes this barrier, reducing stress for applicants who face complications upon re-entry but never abandon their legal residency. Legal basis. The Fourth Circuit Court ruling. This policy shift stems from the Fourth Circuit Court of Appeals decision in the case of Assuma v. USCIS. The court criticized the disqualification of naturalization applicants due to re-entry complications beyond their control. It ruled that the initial lawful admission should be the determining factor. USCIS's updated guidance aligns with this ruling, ensuring a fairer process. Benefits for humanitarian parolees. The policy also impacts individuals who entered the U.S. on humanitarian parole and later adjusted their status. These applicants can now apply for naturalization without worrying about their parole status affecting eligibility. The clarification ensures that their lawful admission or adjustment of status is what counts. Immediate implementation. This update is effective immediately and applies to all naturalization applications filed from the publication date. USCIS has revised its policy manual to reflect these changes, simplifying the path to citizenship for many permanent residents. This USCIS policy update marks a significant step forward in simplifying and streamlining the naturalization process. By focusing on the initial lawful admission, it removes unnecessary hurdles, ensuring a fairer and more transparent path to U.S. citizenship. Permanent residents are encouraged to consult immigration experts and visit the USCIS website to understand how this change may impact their journey toward becoming U.S. citizens.